already a pretty nice camp spot. We've only been in the forest for about 5 minutes. Look at this. Right there. Be beautiful. We might come back here. Here's an example where we have one barbed wire and then there's one right there. It just seems like there's no rhyme or reason. Below me down there looks like a pretty awesome campsite, but we're gonna keep looking. We got this looks like a creek or a runoff or tributary, something like that, coming through here. So we're gonna see if we can use this to navigate a little bit easier. Holy shit, that scared the fuck out of me. That deer's alive right there. Oh boy. Oh boy. I've never seen something like that before. I feel really bad for it. I don't know what happened to him. He's dying, there's no doubt. I'm so sorry, bud. I'm so sorry, bud. I don't know what happened to you. Over there looks like a nice place to camp. It's really a beautiful place. I got like my own private little rock here to sit on, but there's a breeze coming through here, so it's a little bit cold. I want to try to make it over that way and go through this stuff. But it's going to be a little bit difficult because it's pretty thick. I could probably stand down here for hours. I mean, there's no cars, no motor engines, nothing. It's just peace and quiet sound of the river. It's beautiful. Could probably hang out at this river all day. It's just so beautiful. Coming back from the river now. I didn't find a site that I wanted down there, even though it is a beautiful place to sit, so I sat down there for about an hour. Now, just kind of trudging through the forest. Oh God, what am I caught on? Oh, I'm on my hands and knees through a lot of this stuff. Trying to find a good open space around here. I'm not gonna hurt you, buddy. I'm not gonna hurt you, buddy. Not gonna hurt you. Just want to see what happened to you. You're okay, buddy. You're okay, buddy. You're okay, buddy. You're okay, buddy. It's all good, bud. Okay, I'm leaving, bud. Don't want to stress you out. All right, guys, the tent is set up. Looks pretty good, I think. Okay, I have a problem with GoPro batteries dying constantly here. I got the tent set up. It's pretty good. Want to give a little update on the deer because I felt super bad for it. I don't want it to be ravaged by coyotes tonight, even though that kind of is the natural order of things. So what I did is I got a hold of the sheriff. I told him what I found. The sheriff basically made sure nobody was poaching it. Nobody's exactly sure how it was killed or dying. It's still alive. So I have a hunter friend, because I don't hunt personally. He's gonna come over here and finish it up, basically so the deer doesn't get eaten alive by coyotes. I feel like that's a little bit better than lying there in misery. So that's what's going to go on there. He's going to be here in about an hour or so. I'm going to help him get the deer up and all that kind of stuff. So for now, I'm just going to get my sleeping gear finished up here, get it inside the tent, and do some camp chores. Kind of get ready for the evening here. So probably be dark in an hour or two. All right, guys. So now that the campsite's set up, that looks super good. I love that, by the way. So with the campsite set up, it is time for step 2. Don't you love that, step 2? We got a 9.9% tropical beer hug, Imperial IPA, what the heck was I thinking? And we have a New Belgium Voodoo Ranger Imperial IPA. So we got 2 IPAs, both from different companies. I think so anyway. It doesn't matter though. Let's crack. Ooh. Got dirt floating out the top. Not bad. Not bad at all. Well guys, I love wildlife just as much as anybody else, but I'm not gonna let something sit out there and suffer. So I'm gonna go meet my hunter friend. We're gonna do some night hiking through the woods. Guess my friend's in a hurry to get the deer because got pulled over for speeding on the way here, but theoretically I should see him coming on this road pretty soon here. Oh shit, there he is. Gotta appreciate your hunter friends because sometimes you just don't really have the heart to do it yourself. This is Eric, my hunter friend. He's gonna help me with the deer. And that's his wife over there, Renee. Thank gosh to have hunter friends, huh?
A lot of ropes in here.
I'll go this way. We'll be all right. It's just a little bit harder to get down here with our cart. There's Eric pulling the cart. What's that? Not the way we just came. It's right down in there. Yep.
Come on, Renee, give me that. Give me that bull. What's that sticking out of him there?
I don't know. I don't see anything
See
stick.
that bump? He's rusted up.
He fell into the creek. Like he's been trying to move. He was laying to the left earlier.
Is he sick?
I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with him.
He's got that pus on him.
He's got something there on him. Look.
Oh, yeah, and he's probably got green. Just hurry up and cut, do it and get it.
Poor guy.
Sorry, brother. I'm gonna send you to the...
Well, I hoped my friend get the deer back to his truck, but in the process I lost my GoPro camera, so hopefully I can find that in the morning. I'm not gonna cry over spilt milk. I've been a major airhead lately. Just as soon as I get all my gear replaced, I just lose more, so all good though. It's the name of the game out here. This is gonna be an interesting night. I am literally surrounded 360 with coyotes. 360 degree coverage with them this time. Hey guys, just touching base with y'all. Time check, it's about 8 p.m. November 5th on a Saturday. I'm not gonna let the fact that I lost my GoPro get me down. I'm just recording on my phone, which is gonna work for tonight. Gonna be a little bit less video quality, but it should work. I'm more so worried about the lost footage. Hopefully I can find that in the morning. For my future plans for this month, I'm looking forward to doing the Stealth Camping Challenge. Shout out to the Stealth Camping Alliance. I love you all, and you all make great videos. Keep up the fantastic work, everybody. I'm not going to name names because I don't want anybody to feel left out, because there are just so many Stealth Camp members. You all know who you are. I can't wait. I think you're all kicking ass out there. I can't wait to do the November challenge. I have two places in mind where I'm probably going to go for the stealth camping. Next week, it's going to be extremely cold. Lows in the 20s. I think actually 20 is the low. So I might do the stealth camping challenge next week. Let's see. Ooh, that smoke, boys. Ooh. Seems like every time I go to the other side of the fire, it just follows me. It's flipping weird. By the way, cheers. Have a late start on the cooking, but I'm hoping to have a good bed of coals here so we can get going real soon on that. So stay tuned for the cook. It's not gonna be anything crazy, just some ramen noodles and some ground beef. So maybe some bacon. You know, to be fair, it's really not that bad filming on an iPhone. It's really not that bad. I mean, it's definitely doable. If you don't want to buy a GoPro, don't be afraid to just film on an iPhone. You know, maybe I'll even investigate that. Why buy a new camera when I already have a $1,000 iPhone? It's paid off a long time ago. This is getting old now, but I'm not going to replace it. I'm not even going to try to shine this on my face, but it's 11 o'clock and that is looking good. We got to a little bit of a late lunch, but we're ready to finally really dig in now. So let's enjoy, folks. All right, folks, it's a brisk 45 degrees. It's 11:15 in the PM on a November 5th, I believe. No big deal if it's not. And I'm getting ready for bed. You know, I'm actually like sitting here in a t-shirt. I'm not even that cold. I really don't know why. 45 is supposed to be cold, but it doesn't feel that cold. So anyways, it's been quite the day. Hope to find that GoPro in the morning, and I'll catch y'all in the morning. Peace. Oh, morning, guys. Ooh, it was a long night. Woke up, I don't know, 2, 3 with a splitting headache. A splitting headache. I was like, why do I have this headache? Didn't think I'd go back to bed. I think I sat there for like 1 or 2 hours, just like battling this headache. Finally, I drifted back off to sleep. Managed to sleep pretty good. Now I woke up and I still have a bit of a headache, but it's not as bad. So what my plans are is I'm gonna get packed up, no coffee, no breakfast, because I gotta find that lost GoPro because it is driving me nuts. I can't quit thinking about it. I gotta go and find that GoPro. So I'm gonna get dressed and get the ball rolling there. All right, campsite's picked up. Here's where my tent was. Where my fire was, that's where I was sitting. That was my chair. We're gonna go see if we can find that GoPro now. After we do a final sweep, make sure there's no trash. Been looking for my GoPro for about 2 hours now. It's hard to say when to give up on it. Had a lot of good footage on it, so this is gonna be an incomplete video. Not gonna be my normal quality of work. So just a warning there. What are you gonna do though? What are you gonna do? I'm getting hungry. I got a bit of a headache, so I think I'm gonna give up soon. And no use crying over sunk milk. Or is it spilt milk?